Namaskar to all, Ram Ram. We welcomes you in Government National PG College Sirsa. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Welcome in our college, vision of the college, and all faculty members. GNC Sirsa aspires to be a role model for institutional excellence in higher education among leading institutions in India. As a multidisciplinary college, fostering excellence in teaching, community service, capacity building, and nurturing society responsible leaders through an eclectic and sustainable approach. Mission of our institution as well as all faculty members. We at GNC Sirsa will focus on outcomes and impact, highest ethical standards in personal and professional behavior, the promotion of pluralism and celebration of diversity, collegiality and teamwork, concern for the environment, and transparency and accountability to all the stakeholders. Welcomes in the Department of Commerce. Department of Commerce was established in the year of 57. Since the graduation in commerce is running successfully, at present the seats available for BCom students are 240 divided in 3 units. The post graduation in commerce is introduced in the year 2021-22 with 40 seats at entry level. Department is enriched with highly qualified staff of 12 members, out of which 5 are doctorate, 2 are MPhil, and all faculty members are net qualified. Facilities available in our department are central and departmental computer lab, central and departmental library, multipurpose hall, conference hall, cooperative environment in our institution, highly qualified and experienced faculty, placement opportunities, girls' common room, annual cultural and sports activities, gym and yoga room, commerce subject society, etc. etc. Commerce Subject Society. The mission of Commerce Subject Society is to enhance the knowledge in the field of commerce for students and introduce them to the practical aspects of the corporate world. Objectives of Commerce Subject Societies are to provide a stronger knowledge in the field of commerce within students, to update the knowledge about current affairs of the corporate sector, to make students aware of the opportunities available in the modern world, to provide students with information to make them a better and brighter future. Activities of the society remained business quiz, group discussion, PowerPoint presentations, guest lectures, industrial visits, and debates, etc. Head of the institution, Dr. Sandeep Goyal, who is very knowledgeable person, having a dynamic personality, who is an honest worker and very dedicated towards upliftment of institutional a healthy environment. The qualification of our principal is BSc Honors, MSc Honors, MPhil, PhD, FICER, LLB, and specialization is in chemistry. Now, faculty description: Head of Department, Professor Khajan Singh, whose qualification is MCom and MPhil, and specialization in marketing. Professor Preeti Monga, whose qualification is MCom and NET, and specialization in marketing as well as statistics. Then Dr. Krishan Gopal, whose qualification is MCom, MPhil, and PhD, and specialization in accounting and business statistics. And then Dr. Naveen Makkad, whose qualification is MCom, MPhil, PhD, MA Economics as well as NET, and specialization accounting and business statistics. Then Dr. Samriti Kambos, whose qualification is MCom and PhD, and specialization in finance. Then Dr. Sakshi Mehta, whose qualification is MCom, MBA, MPhil, and PhD, and specialization in finance and marketing. Then Professor Manju Ganda, whose qualification is MCom, MPhil, and NET, and specialization in accounting and business statistics. And then Professor Geeta Kumari, whose qualification is MCom, as well as qualified NET, and specialization is finance. Then Dr. Sunita Sukhija, whose qualification is MCom, NET, MBA, MPhil, and PhD, and specialization in finance. Then Mrs. Navpreet Kaur, whose qualification is MCom, NET, JRF, and specialization in accounting and business statistics. Then Mrs. Salini Arora, whose qualification is MCom, NET, and specialization is finance. Then Mrs. Menu Bala, whose qualification is MCom, NET, MBA, MEd, and specialization finance and marketing. The subjects introduced in first sem and teachers who are teaching these subjects are as below. These subjects are introduced in MCom during this session. Management process and organizational behavior. The teacher who is teaching this subject is Professor Khajan Singh. In business environment, Dr. Sakshi. Then managerial economics, Dr. Sunita. Then financial accounting and reporting, Dr. Krishan Gopal. Then business statistics, Dr. Naveen Makkad. And computer application in business and cybersecurity, Dr. Naveen Makkad. Thank you. Thanks a lot.